Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix this no sound problem, connected but no sound problem. So let's fix it in Oneplus Nord Buds 2R. So let's start the video friends. So as you can see, it is now connected. You can just simply first connect it with your smartphone. As you can see, it is connected but there is no sound. You can see here it is written active, means it is now ready to start. So you have to just first click on this button and click on unpair, and then second step you have to just, here it is the touch sensor, you have to press both of them to restart it, and then you can connect it and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.